seriously. Cannot control myself. Totally
Nomor 2, jadi si Jimmy di
beyond.
depan biar syuting dia.
Excitement level.
Ya.
This is like I'm living a film. I think we've landed in heaven, actually. Where would you like me? So where would you like me to go?
Colin, Terry, and Michelle.
This car.
Okay.
We are in Tambling Wildlife Nature Conservation in Sumatra Island. We maintain this area for almost 15 years. The concept of us is let the people and local people here side by side grow together with the conservation and don't against one another. We hope this area can contribute to the world about the program of the global warming, also about the climate change. I hope this can a lot of Indonesian businessmen, even the businessmen in the world can follow, can do a lot of things like this, because this nature, this forest, and this all become our future. We need the clean air for our survival. This is my message.
Okay, random, never expected this on a day off. This was not on the tour itinerary, but boom.
We have endangered species here, and what we do and what we focus on is to save the Sumatra tigers. So basically we rehabilitate the conflict tigers, and so that they can go back to the nature again.
And recently, a male and a female were
We
released
actually
back
have
into the
already
wild.
released 4.
Just, you can't believe the air, how delicious the air is. Right there is where they released the male and female tigers recently. Hey Jamissel, you know how it's so balmy and a little dip would be nice? Not in there with the crocs. No. Just some buffalo. Like maybe 5? I can see 2. So that's the whole family.
They also want to look at.
Yeah, they're inquisitive.
Yeah.
Oh, see ya. They're lovely. I think we're in the pages of a book right now. In Aceh, Banda Aceh, where the tsunami was, well, where one area where the tsunami was. That tiger, I've learnt, killed 6 people over a period of time, I suppose, because his area was being diminished, and so they moved him, which was probably a wise idea. It's interesting the different stories of how the tigers end up here, and it seems like that's a recurring theme, is their land and their territory becomes less and less, and they resort to measures that they wouldn't naturally do. It's snack time with a little Indonesian local delicacy.
We have a little rhino here in the about 10 kilometers from here, so we are very glad to find out this. Tapir also, and the tapir, and the most also endangered animal have been looked here is ajak, like a fox.
Like a fox.
Of course, tiger. Elephant also, honey bear, and then some of the Mollusca, apa? Burung-burungan apa? Unggas-unggasan?
Species of birds. We have more than 50 different species, family of birds here that we already found out by research. It's only the only that we already found out by research, but still a lot of more than that.
How is the breeding, like the
Nature.
new generation?
We not do breeding. We put on the nature.
Right, but they themselves. I mean,
Yeah, we protect all the nature. Let them build really in the right place, in the nature place.
Yeah, right.
No people. So in the area who we agree already become a forest
Heritage.
heritage, you can forest animal right. The human rights become number 2. Sorry.
I feel fortunate. I got a snack. Yeah.
Why? We must protect the nature. Why we must protect the forest? Is one thing we need to protect. The air.
Yeah.
So much money as a manusia apa manusia?
Human.
As human. We spend now stem cell, let us young, cosmetic, everything. Maybe $1 billion, thousands of $1 billion be spent by us to maintain our health. But one thing is more important to be their basic, but we never pay because the God give us from the first second we become a human. The air, the clean air. But because we never pay for the clean air, we never care and forget.
It's the first thing I commented on when we landed was the air. It's just splendid. It's beautiful.
You can find the nature clean and clear air. Ya kan? So whatever we do in the world, at the end is how we can breathe in it.
Stop talking. Now I'm going to give you a massive hug because that is just the most beautiful thing. And thank you for having us and allowing us to experience the beautiful air here.
I think we are very thank you when Kylie come to here because of course become very important momentum that the world class star artist can spend the golden time come to here. It mean she is very care also about environmental and I hope she can help us to send the message to the world that we must care to protect the environment.
It's been unbelievable. It's so inspiring what they're doing. Makes you stop and think about the rest of the world and how idyllic this is. I guess find the balance between the world in which we live and this world the animals live in. So all in all, a very lovely day.